into the wall. Let's go check this thing out and give an update and see where we're at. Trans Am's still sitting over there waiting for tires, but that's not what we're talking about today. We're talking about ES13. So with this one, been doing a couple little things here and there, and then one or two big things. So I guess we'll just go over them real quick. Well, the car got a new body kit, the second new body kit, because I'm indecisive and can't figure out which one I wanted. So the first one that I got was a GP2 style kit, and it just did not fit. It was interfering a lot with my Origin style fender things. Right here, it was like going here. I don't know, like the cutoff was really high up here. This one is the URS kit, and it actually meets it perfectly. So I think the previous bumper was a pig nose style bumper, that's why it didn't fit. Also got rid of the silly anime girl thing on my hood. I did leave this little card, I forget what it's called, starts with an H. But yeah, just because I like the design and the whole like story behind those cards, it's kind of cool. So the car's looking a lot more complete nowadays. Not so kind of thrown together. I don't know why it parked so close, but yeah. They actually have some front lower control arms from GK Tech coming in. This is my, let's see if I can get in there. Ugh. My already extended, there we go, front lowers, which are extended 50 mil. The GK Tech tension rods right there are the ones that I've been running, and then the, I forget what sway bar it is, but it's a big one. And then the stock arms don't have any notching in them, so I wasn't able to use my full range of lock because it literally would just, the tie rod end ends up hitting the lower arm before it meets full lock, if that makes sense. It's kind of limiting the wreck on its own way. Oh yeah, this shifter that I got, the adapter on the way home broke and the shifter literally just fell off. So I had to go buy a new adapter because I think it was the wrong one and I kind of just forced it on there. So yeah, that's all fixed, but let's go around to under the hood and we'll make sure that, see, my door never shuts right too. I gotta like slam the living hell out of it in order to get it shut, but whatever. So, this hood is so much lighter than the stock one. I'm pretty sure I've shown the engine bay since I did all the dumb little things. But I ran the new line for the overflow just because it wasn't right and it was hitting the tire when I would turn. You can kind of see the GK Tech tension rods better from this angle. I always forget I have these cut out. Stainless steel, indigo garage lines, as well as our knuckles. And we also did make the lower arms, but the GK Tech design, like I said, has the notch towards the back end, so you get more angle, and I just don't feel comfortable notching arms. So, quick overview of the engine bay. Completely bone stock SR as far as internals and turbo goes. The manifold is an Megan manifold, or Megan, whatever. Ultima fan setup, wired on high all the time. Adjustable fuel pressure regulator, and that's really it. And oh yeah, coil rad with HKS cap. So I mean, fairly basic setup, and should be real fun. And I'm sure it seems like I'm going in circles as far as my latest videos, just because, like I said, preparing for events that I don't go to. But there's a private event that the Pop Shop is putting on, so I'm definitely going to that one. Already got the trailer situation figured out, and I have lots of spares ready to go. So, oh, there's those actually, and then have even more inside here. Not to show how messy my house is, but stacked in the corner my other wheels that were on the car. I was gonna put on the Trans Am, but the center bore cars, more car stuff. The center bores are huge on the Trans Am because it's got the 1LE package, which basically means back in the day, In '89, there was the GTA model and the regular models. I got the GTA model because I can't really justify buying a base model of anything. Don't know if you can see, well, I guess you can, but this outer bore, the inside of the spindle, takes up this whole diameter. It's like 76 or 78 millimeters. The bore on those wheels are 72, I think. These windows are really dark. Oh no, they're not that dark. But so those won't fit. Those were what I was originally going to put on this. This car is so neglected. I feel so bad. But I start it every now and then, probably like once a week or so. And I guess I can give an update on the Tahoe since we're here, you know, updating on all the cars. But Tahoe doesn't really have much going on with it. Like I said, it's just my daily tow rig thing. I don't know if I ever actually even showed. Oh, it's locked. And I have the keys right here, so let's unlock it. It's real basic. I mean, it's just a Tahoe, you know. But it's got the two-tone interior. I don't know if that's a common thing for these, but I really liked it. This is one of the reasons why I bought this one. Lots of stuff back there, tools everywhere, and bikes, or a bike. And, of course, it's got the ever so trusty and ever so easy to work on. Let me see if I can open this. 5.3 liter LS, or LQ rather, V8 Vortec. And it's real healthy. Transmission is brand new, or not? Yeah, I think the transmission is brand new, and the rear end was the gears were resealed. Replaced, and then the diff housing was resealed, obviously. The hood on the Tahoe is super hard to close for some reason. I think it's because the dampers like hold it up as you're trying to push it down. So, but yeah. And then in the 5.3 Vortec LQ, whatever the hell, engines, it was from the factory. They're gapped. The spark plugs are gapped at 0.60 or something like that, and they revised it later, and it's the same as the LS's, which I think is 0.40 or 0.44. So I still have to change that on mine, and I might as well just do new plugs entirely while I'm in there. So that's what I'm gonna do. But this is this was just a quick update video to show where everything's at and what I'm doing. Like I said, I don't necessarily make these videos to try to gain any kind of followers or whatever, but it's cool that people actually watch my videos, and some people have told me that they enjoy them, and subscribers go up a little bit here and there. So that's nice too, don't get me wrong, but it's more so I know where I'm at with things when I look back and I could see where I was at what point, and yeah. So if you watch my videos, thank you, I appreciate it. If you leave comments or like the video or subscribe, I really appreciate that too. But like I said, if you just want to watch and not do that, it's fine too. Or if you don't watch them at all, then you don't see this, so it doesn't matter. Also give a quick update on my arm. I've been doing tattoos, or getting tattoos, for the last year or so, just kind of real slowly like. But these are all done by my good friend Travis Burnett, also known as Travi True Love on Instagram. If you need some work done and you're in Southern California, let him know. Very crisp lines, very straight lines rather, and just all around good job. Like, I don't really know tattooing lingo all that great, so does well, and doesn't hurt super bad, so he's got a very light hand, and yeah. So like I said, thanks for watching, and have a good day.